Hello dear students, welcome back. Today I am going to explain the operations in fractions, that is fractional addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Let us begin with addition and subtraction in fractions for both like and unlike fractions. Here we have sums on like fractions. So let us see how do we add like fractions. Like fraction, as you know, is having the same denominator. So here we take the denominator as the common denominator. 8, 2 by 8 plus 5 by 8. We take 8 as the common denominator and add the numerators, which is 2 plus 5. We get 7 by 8. In case you have mixed numbers to add, we first change the mixed numbers to improper fraction. So 2 5s are 10 plus 1 11 by 5. 3 5s are 15 plus 2 17 by 5. We take 5 as the common denominator and add the numerators 11 and 17. We get 28 by 5. Now 28 by 5 is improper fraction and we cannot leave the answer in improper fraction. So we have to change it to mixed fraction. How do we do that? We divide 28 by 5. 5 5s are 25, 3 remainder. This remainder goes up as numerator. Divisor comes down as denominator. So the answer is 5, 3 by 5. Next we have subtraction in the same way. We have like fractions here. So we take 4 as the common denominator and subtract the numerators. 5 minus 1. We get 4 by 4. This has to be brought to the simplest form. So we divide 4 and 4 by 4. We get 1 as the answer. Now here we have 1 and 5 by 8. We are subtracting 5 by 8 from 1. Now when we subtract any fraction from 1, we subtract the numerator from the denominator and keep the denominator as it is. So we are subtracting 8 minus 5 by 8. It is 3 by 8. Now addition and subtraction for unlike fractions. Before we proceed, let us keep a few points in mind. First is always write the answer in the simplest form. If the answer is in improper fraction, convert it to mixed fraction. When we subtract a fraction from 1, we subtract the numerator of the fraction from its denominator and leave the denominator as it is. I hope, dear students, you will remember this. Now we have the steps for addition and subtraction. Let us read the steps. First is LCM of the denominators. Then take the LCM as common denominator. Divide the denominators, multiply the answer with numerator, add and subtract as given in the sum. So let us find out how we apply these steps in a sum. We have addition of two unlike fractions here, 2 by 8 plus 5 by 12. The first step is LCM of the denominators. So we find the LCM of 8 and 12, which is 24. How did we do that? We divided 8 and 12 by 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 12. This can again be divided by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Now we multiply all the numbers outside the bracket. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 is 24. So we got the denominator as 24. Now we have to take the LCM as the common denominator. So LCM 24 we are taking as the common denominator. Then we divide the denominators. Dividing denominators means we are going to divide 24 by 8 first and then again 24 by 12 first. Let us do it with the first fraction. 24 divided by 8 is 3. Multiply the answer with numerator. 3 is the answer. We have to multiply it with the numerator of the fraction, which is 2. So 3 2s are 6. We write down 6 here, put the operation plus, then go to the next fraction. We divide 24 by 12. 12 twos are 24. Multiply the answer with the numerator given. 2 into 5 is equal to 10. We write 10 here. 6 plus 10 is 16 by 24. Now we have to bring down this to the simplest form. So we divide 16 and 24 by 2. 2 8s are 16. 2 12s are 24. Again we can cancel by 2. 2 4s are 8. 2 6s are 12. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. So the answer we got is 2 by 3. Now similarly, we have subtraction here. Now students, remember to keep a rough column right hand side every time you do the sums, so that you may show the operations in the right side here. Now we have subtraction of unlike fractions but with mixed numbers here. So the first step is to change the mixed number to improper fraction. 3 7s are 21 plus 2 is 23 by 7. 2 3s are 6 plus 1 is 7 by 3. So we have to subtract 23 by 7 minus 7 by 3. Now 7 and 3 cannot be divided by the same number. Therefore, to find the LCM of 7 and 3, we multiply them and write, which is 21. Now we take 21 as the common denominator and start dividing the denominators. So first we divide 21 by 7, we get 3. Then we multiply the answer with the numerator, which is 23. We get 69. We write down 69, put the operation given there and go to the next fraction. 21 divided by 3 is 7. 7 multiplied by the numerator, 7 is 49. So we write 49 here. 69 minus 49 is 20. 20 by 21 is your answer. It is in the simplest form and also a proper fraction. Now this part of the video is specially for class 5. We have multiplication of fractions here. Let us see the points first. Write whole number as a fraction and convert mixed fraction as improper fraction. Convert the fractions to its simplest form. Then multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. We have 3 types of multiplication of fractions here. First is fraction with fraction. Now we have 2 simple fractions here. We will multiply the numerators first. 2 3s are 6. 5, then the denominators, 5 4s are 20. So 6 by 20. Now we bring it to the simplest form. So for that we can divide both by 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 10s are 20. So we have 3 by 10 as the answer. Next we have whole number with fraction. To write the whole number as a fraction, we put 1 as the denominator. So now 9 by 1 into 2 by 3. We bring these fractions into simplest form by cancellation. So how do we do that? We can do it 2 ways. One is straight, cancelling it straight, numerator and denominator, or by cross multiplication. Here we cannot cancel it straight by the same number. So we do it by cross multiplication. That is, we divide both by 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. So we have 3 into 2 in the numerator. Below we have 1 into 1, which is 1. So 3 2s are 6 is your answer. Next we have mixed number with fractions. Now we have a mixed number here. We have to multiply it with a fraction. But we have to change the mixed number first to improper fraction. 4 6 are 24 plus 1, 25 by 6. Now we begin with cancellation. We cancel 2 and 6 with the same number, that is 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. We cannot cancel any more numbers by the same number. So we multiply the numerators. 21 into 1, 25 into 1 is 25. 3 into 3 is 9. 25 by 9 is an improper fraction. So we change it to mixed fraction. I hope this is clear. Next is reciprocal of a fraction. Now what do you mean by reciprocal? It is the interchanging of the numerator and the denominator. Now reciprocal of 2 by 5 is 5 by 2. We interchanged the numerator and the denominator. We need this for division of fractions. Now let us see the points. Find the reciprocal of the divisor, that is the fraction in the right hand side. This is your divisor. Change the division sign to multiplication sign. As soon as we find the reciprocal, we have to change the division to multiplication sign. Convert the fractions to simplest form, then we cancel and bring them to the simplest form and multiply the fractions as we did for multiplication. So let us see how do we do it. We have three types of fractions again here. Fraction by fraction. So 32 by 15 divided by 12 by 25. So we first change it to reciprocal, that is 25 to 12, and change the sign from division to multiplication. We cross multiply 32 and 12 by 2. 2 16s are 32, 2 6 are 12, 2 8s are 16, 2 3s are 6. We do these two now with 3. 3, 5, 15 and 25. 15 divided by 5 is 3. 25 divided by 5 is 5. So in the numerator we have 8 into 5. Denominator we have 3 into 3. So that is 40 by 9. Now this 40 by 9 is an improper fraction. So we change it to mixed fraction and get 4 by 9 as the answer. Next we have whole number by fraction. Now to change the whole number to fraction, we put denominator as 1. Change the right hand side fraction, the reciprocal of it, that is 9 by 20. And then cross multiply. 15 and 20 can be cancelled by 5. So 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20. Nothing can be cancelled anymore by the same number. So in the numerator we have 3 into 9. And denominator we have 1 into 4. So 27 by 4 is your answer, but it is an improper fraction. So we change it to mixed fraction and your final answer is 63 by 4. Then we have fraction by mixed number. Now we have to change the mixed number to improper fraction. 42 ones are 42 plus 27, that is 69 by 42. Now we have to change this, the reciprocal of it, that is 42 by 69. We change the sign to multiplication. Now we cancel by cross multiplying. 45 and 69 both can be divided by 3. So 3 15s are 45, 3 23s are 69. 21 ones are 21. 21 2s are 42. Now you have to remember, students, this cancellation will be easier for you as you practice it day by day. It will be easy for you. You can cancel with the lowest number or you can cancel by any common factor. Now we multiply the numerators 15 into 2 and the denominators 1 into 23. So 15 2s are 30 by 23. Again improper fraction, so we change it to mixed fraction and your final answer is 7 by 23. Now you have to remember, while solving word problems in fractions, if the total quantity is not given, we assume it to be 1. Now fraction as a whole is always taken as 1. I hope, dear students, you have been able to understand fractional addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Keep watching the videos to keep your concept clear on the topics explained. Do follow my videos and do your regular assignments. Stay safe. God bless you.